Hi everyone, this is Taina. I am delighted and very happy to invite you on behalf of Melody Lakai to a night of acoustic music. It's going to be live music at Cayman Cove on March 11th, featuring Cookie Groove and guest invited Genty. Doors open at 7 and showtime is at 8 p.m. So invite all your friends and come just enjoy a night of music and poetry and just good fun. If you want more information, you can call 813-384-8502 and see you all there on March 11th.
C'est un